Bonnie Rosa is a British YouTube personality and child influencer, best known for co-starring in the popular family-friendly channel RubyandBonnie alongside her older sister Rube. She grew up in England with her sister Rube, who is several years her senior, and they often collaborate on videos that highlight sibling dynamics, fun challenges, and educational skits. The sisters also share a secondary channel called RubyandBonnie Granny with their grandmother, expanding their content to include multi-generational family adventures aimed at a broader audience. Bonnie entered the digital spotlight at a young age when the RubyandBonnie channel launched in September 2016, initially featuring simple, entertaining videos for children such as toy unboxing, pretend play, and storytelling. Her breakout moment came in March 2020 with a viral video where she and Rube played with a kitten while demonstrating themes of respect and kindness, which resonated widely with young viewers and parents alike. Bonnie has since showcased her acting talents in a series of narrative videos for kids. As a young content creator, Bonnie's videos often reflect her playful personality, with favorites including animal-themed challenges and school-related fun. Despite her online fame, Bonnie leads a relatively private childhood, with her content emphasizing positive values like empathy and family bonding.